What's up, YouTube? YouTube back here with another video, you feel me? And today's video is different. It's Hurricane Irma. Yes, title is right, the title is true. I am in Orlando, Florida, and there's a hurricane right now. My sister's over there. I'm the window. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Keep it quiet. I'm trying to do my intro. Okay. Now today's a different video. I'm saying Hurricane Irma is coming for us now. We're in Florida. I'm in Orlando. This is crazy. Let me show y'all. Snap. Oh snap. Yo, bro, look at the tree. Look at the winds. I would open the door, but see, the thing is, this is gonna be a bad idea. I have to lock it real quick. You know what I'm saying? I locked that bill quick. Okay, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy, bro. It's definitely Hurricane Irma right now. Bro, ooh, curls popping, yeah, ooh. Anyways, but for real, y'all, this is a safety hazard right now. I am technically in a building, yes. And I'll probably go out. But we have a backup generator for emergencies. Yeah. But it doesn't, but it doesn't do our home, so. Irma, I'm trying to do my intro. Can you please be quiet? Anyways, yeah. So, we finna play some Uno, you know what I'm saying? Whoop it up in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna win out of all these boys, so it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be straight. Let's get it, man. Grind season, baby. Let's go.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
The alarm literally went off, and the person came on the radio saying that we need to evacuate. What are we doing? Not evacuating. Yes, I am Haitian. Basically, we're dead. Bro. Oh, this thing right here. We're basically doomed. There are people in the hallways right now. I'll go show y'all right here. Anyways, y'all, bro, but it's getting crazy out here. I don't think mine's on anymore. Well, mine was on, bro. It's getting crazy. Just people. There were people in the hallway. They left. They went back inside their houses. I think they're about to leave though. But we can't leave it out in the hurricane. Like, what we're gonna do? My cousin did. She got scared. We gonna die. Well, I forgot to say it is. Be quiet. I forgot to say it is September. Wait. It's September 10th, 2017. All right, guys. September 10th, 2017, and it's crazy, bro. Don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't subscribe, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'll see y'all when our power hopefully doesn't go out. Because the building has a backup generator. It's just for the hallways, though, the emergency lights, not for the homes. So, we're out of luck. We do have a water booster, though. Y'all, it's currently the next day. Bro, last night I could not sleep. Like, I'm about to upload a video for y'all, the one you're currently watching, but last night I could not sleep, bro. I don't know why. It's still windy though. It stopped raining, but let me show you. I think I can go outside now. Bro. Cool. So, as I was saying, it's still windy though, look. there were leaves on that tree. There was a whole bunch of leaves on that tree yesterday. Now they gone. You know what I'm saying? But look like we back attack, you feel me? Had to take my chair out, you know what I'm saying? Cause ain't no thing wanna get hurt, you feel me? But that's really all for Hurricane Irma. Like, the streets are not that flooded. At least not here. Probably saw in other places, but there's a pond all the way down there. It was not that big. I'm telling you. You can't even see it. So why am I showing you? I don't know. But yeah, bro. We chilling now. It's not much. We chilling. So yeah, y'all, but that's the end of the video. If you're new, if you see this video, subscribe. Cause there's more than just Hurricane Irma on this channel. You feel me? There is fun, funny, amazing, exciting, good to watch content. You feel me? Saying, cause you know JV Squad only going up. You feel me? Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all later. I bet.